The goal of our essay project was to inform shoppers in Cambodia to refuse plastic bags and bring their own reusable bags, preferably cloth, when going shopping. We were planning to put up the posters in Aeon, Bayang, Lucky, Pencil, and Taihut, as well as asking them if they could make a discount to shoppers who refuse plastic bags. There are many plastic bags and cups left or thrown beside roads and sidewalks, so if people stop using plastic bags, the town will look better and it will be good for the environment. Also, we wanted to put up posters around the school to inform students and staff not to use plastic bags. This idea came from science class where we had to come up with a service in action project. In order to make the posters, we needed to know what kind of harm plastic bags do to the earth. We researched about plastic bags and the effects to the environment, which we included into the formal letter as well as small information tags on posters.
I think we developed a proposal that explains what we wanted to do and why it was a good idea. First, we were only planning to put up the posters at school, so we made a detailed plan with dates and resources if we are to only put them up in school. Although we did not add the part where we were going to ask supermarkets to put the posters up in the plan. Also, for most weeks we wrote our goals in the Google community and wrote a reflection on what we did every week. We didn't demonstrate great self-management skills as for the first few weeks. We only thought of designs and drew the posters. Also, we didn't really think about if students or staff at ISPP will refuse plastic bags just from one poster. The answer was no, so we added the part where we will ask the supermarkets if they could put up posters and make discounts. At most times, we talked more than we worked.
In this project, we created posters with 3 different designs, each relating to refusing plastic bags. We also created 6 information tags to paste on the 6 posters we posted around the school. Each tag has a different information on it. For example, one tag says enough plastic is thrown away each year to circle the earth 4 times. Using these questions, we posted a survey on the daily bulletin asking staff and students if this poster was effective and to check if they actually looked at the posters. Also, we sent out a formal letter to Aeon and Lucky if they were interested in participating in the plastic bag campaign. As a result, we did not get any emails back from the supermarkets.
We think that we took too long to create the posters which didn't really have specific numbers or actions we should take. If in the first place we tried to target the supermarkets and not only emailed them, but arranged time where we could meet up with them, this project could have gone better. Based on our survey results, most of our respondents knew and understood what the poster displayed and what were the messages behind each of them. When asked if the posters encourage users to recycle their plastic bags, most of them answered with a yes, and their explanation to this is that the posters show negative impacts of plastic bags on Earth. Others would say no, and their reasoning is that the posters did not have enough explanation as to why the world should reuse their plastic bags.
We generally worked well as a group and got along well. On the other hand, we spent a lot of time just talking and not doing work for the first few weeks. For the last 3 or 4 weeks, we worked hard and more efficiently. We were able to divide the group and decide who was doing the school survey or information tags, formal letters to the supermarkets, or the reflection. We wrote process journal entries for most weeks, was able to receive feedback from supervisors, and made improvements according to the comments or at least thought about it.
We think that the quality of our service and action against the proposal was not good. First, we didn't really get the results from our action. We did make the posters, asked if supermarkets can participate, and asked if the students or staffs about the posters, but we did not get proof or data that people actually started to reuse plastic bags. Second, the proposal wasn't very specific, either because we weren't able to check if our action was taken by the community.
By doing this project, I understood and extended my knowledge about how important planning is for anything I have to create, decide, and how difficult it is to work collaboratively. From this service in action, I extended my knowledge that next time I will take my time and decide on what I really think is a problem and the solution that can be created and checked. Also, we took too much time on just talking and I wasn't able to make this time fun and effective. I can't do service in action alone, so I learned that I have to have fun myself and others at the same time while doing something for the community. First, I improved on thinking skills because I brainstormed many different ideas to make the poster designs, as well as which materials to use to color. I looked at different ads and posters. I tried out painting, permanent marker, colored pencil, and crayon before deciding to use a special crayon which won't smudge for the black background. Second, I developed and improved communication and social skills because I was able to divide up the roles for each person in the last few weeks.